Hello, everyone, and welcome to the week of April the 13th. I'm going to go over the instructions with you. I changed some things, and I hope that doesn't cause too much confusion. I changed things up just a little bit to try to make it a little bit easier on you so you don't have to go to as many links here in this column. I was just trying to eliminate that as much as possible. So underneath your syllabus is your home page. Underneath that, click on, and I titled it Begin Here. Okay, so each week you could just begin here. Let me go ahead and put this in student view. Okay, so that's better. This is what you see. Okay, virtual class weekly schedule. Just go ahead and go right here. And instead of beginning with that very first week, we started the virtual learning, I'm putting that at the bottom and I'm putting the most current at the top. You notice here the icons are a little different. Well, this is called an item, and then this is a learning module. So I'm putting them in learning modules now. So all you have to do, it's laid out a little differently. You just click on week of April the 13th, and it'll be laid out like this. And most likely your table of contents will be here to the left, but some of you all, your table of contents may appear at the bottom. Either way, it doesn't matter. You still go through this and see what all you need to do. So week of April 13th, your to-do list for today. And hopefully you have been working on it because the due date was actually last Friday. Continue to work on your rough draft. It needs to be about 500 words. When you are done, upload your assignment to the link in the left-hand margin right here, the left-hand column on your homepage right there. This assignment is due today. It was due last Friday, but I moved it because of it being a holiday. It was Good Friday. Also, too, and I thought I put this on here, but you also need to complete the exit ticket from last week as well. And I have the exit tickets for right now. I have that here. And so the exit ticket that's due today. So you'll need to go here and click on exit ticket for week 4-6. In a few words, summarize the video over classical argumentative structure. Some of you all have done it, but quite a few of you all have not done that yet. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to where we were at. And I'll start out with a to-do list and any reminders as well. So the next thing you need to do is watch the videos for the week, submit the exit ticket, and submit multimodal project idea. And I will show you below what that is. So the reminders for this week, you'll be working on your annotated bibliography. That's due not this Friday, but next Friday. And I have a video for that. After you submit the rough draft for this week, the rest of the workload will actually be really light this week. Take advantage of that. This week, you're going to be submitting your multimodal project idea. You're going to be submitting an exit ticket as well, and I'll go over that with you. But those two assignments really aren't going to take you very long at all. But the annotated bibliography will take you a little bit longer because there is more reading in this assignment than the other assignments. So take advantage of that. Read your sources, get to know them. You already have your rough draft or you're coming along with it. And this use this week and next week to really get to know your sources so you can complete that annotated bibliography. You need to prepare for the AP exam. Now, we are going to be having some reviews about a couple weeks prior to the exam. The exam is on May 20th, and it'll be at 1 o'clock. You will take it at home. It'll be 45 minutes. It's a rhetorical analysis. Remember Space Cat? We used that quite a bit last semester. You did some this semester, especially if you wrote a rhetorical analysis for your out-of-class reading assignment. I feel like overall you have a pretty good grasp on it, but I definitely want us to go over that Your last assignment, and now I know your research paper is due May the 1st. The multimodal, I believe I have that scheduled for May the 8th. Sometime definitely after that, and maybe even during that second week in May, we're really going to be looking at the rhetorical analysis and the structure of it. So that is your to-do list. These are your reminders. You come up here, or you can go over here and go to the next page, which is the second page for your table of contents. And hold on, click to launch. So this is your video. I will say on that video, whenever I was recording, I had to stop 2 or 3 times. So there may be some pauses in there. The dog started barking, so I had to click off of it, start back up again. It is, I'm sorry. It doesn't, in my opinion, it really doesn't sound that great, but I tried my best, and I know it's kind of lengthy, but I am going through the MLA structure or format along with the argumentative writing structure as well. So take a look at that. If you are having problems with MLA, that is there for you. The annotated bibliography, this is where I am going over the assignment and what is expected of you. And actually, this video here, I'm going to put right after week of April 13th. That's where this video is going to go. I don't have it yet because I'm making that right now. So it will be there. The exit ticket for the week of April 13th, this week, it is due this Friday. Basically, all you're going to do, here are the instructions. There was a lot of confusion about the annotated bibliography, so I want you to read this assignment, and watch the video. The video is really not that long. What is it? Explain it to me. What is expected from you? Why is this type of assignment assigned with research? Very short, few sentences. You submit it right here. So I'm hoping, and eventually I'm going to be getting rid of this tab and having your exit tickets right here. So I would like to have most everything right here. I still have your major assignments over here where you would turn it in, but still having it, just right here, I think would hopefully make things a little bit easier for you. I don't know why this is saying this. I'm just going to press OK, go on to the next one, and your multimodal project idea. Okay, so for this assignment, I would like to know what your project will be. Attached is the prompt. Your response can be around 3 to 4 sentences. And, some reason I do not have the prompt on here. Let's go ahead and take a look at major assignments. I need to fix that. Okay, so this is a visual of your research paper. I am going to, not this week, possibly the next, I will have a video over multimodal composition. It's a phrase that encompasses many different aspects about visual communication. And that's really what that fancy term means, multimodal composition. I will have a video over that and how that is also considered communication and how you can use that to enhance your written research. So think about that. Think about what you would like to do. Would you like to have a video? A poster board. I know everything's online right now, but you can have a poster board, take a picture of it, take a video of it, a video of you talking, and then upload it into Blackboard. And that's how you're going to be uploading it, is in Blackboard under probably a discussion board is probably what I'm going to do with this one. Storyboards, I've done one before. I haven't done that many. You might be a little bit more familiar with that than what I am, there's drawings, paintings, PowerPoints, prezzies, collages, or any other creative visual that you can think of that will accurately represent your paper. So I need to know what you want to do by April the 17th. All this right here I'll go over with you later. This is just some aspects that you need to include in your multimodal project before you submit it. And I believe I have that on May the 8th before you submit it then. Let's see, let's go back to where we were. Major assignments. Let's go back to the schedule. Up here, April the 13th. And that's it. Yeah, the multimodal project idea. So these two items, the exit ticket and multimodal project, it should not take you that much time at all. You need to really focus in after today, the annotated bibliography, which is due next Friday. One other quick thing, and then I will end the video. When we go back to, let's see, the schedule, I did revise the schedule. Let me take you to it. And basically, I have the virtual class tutorial time at in the afternoon from 1 to 3, except on Wednesday whenever I have to attend, and all the teachers actually have to attend a faculty meeting from 2:30 to 3. There I have to cut it a little short. I have my office hours, have student conferences scheduled from 12 to 1. If you need to have a conference with me, then that would probably be the time that we would do it. If we need to have it a little later, like after 3, then I could do that as well. Just let me know. I am here for you. And student check-in, that's when if I haven't heard from you, that's when I'm going to try to make contact with you. And sometimes I may even have to do that a little after 3 as well. But this is another tentative schedule here, but I did want to make it a little bit later in the afternoon. So I can see more of my students because I know a lot of you all are sleeping during this time. So I went ahead and I changed it. I do have office hours starting at 11 from 12, but the class tutorial time, I have it here at the end of the day. Keep in mind that these are optional, but I do want you to come say hi. Come to me if you have a question. I will be here waiting for you, and I would love to help you if you have a question, okay? You can attend this, you can send me an email, or you can send me a message on Remind. I believe that is it. So I hope changing it to a learning module didn't confuse things. I hope it will make it a little bit easier for you. I'll still include the videos here, but the videos will actually be included here as well. So a step-by-step process, to-do list, reminders, and everything else that you need to do for the rest of the week. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.